Welcome to Auto Analyst. Today we're highlighting one of the most iconic names in American automotive history, the Chevrolet Bel Air. Known for its bold design, advanced engineering, and deep cultural roots, the Bel Air wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of an era. The Chevrolet Bel Air made its debut in 1950 as a premium trim level, but quickly gained its own identity. By the mid-1950s, the Bel Air became one of Chevrolet's flagship models and helped shape the style and spirit of the decade. The years 1955 to 1957, often called the Tri-5 years, are the most celebrated. Among them, the 1957 Bel Air stands out as a true American icon. One glance at the 57 Bel Air and you understand why it's still celebrated today. The exterior featured dramatic tailfins, a wide front grille, chrome accents, and bold color options that made it instantly recognizable. Chevrolet's design team, led by legendary GM designer Harley Earl, took inspiration from the jet age, giving the car a futuristic, exciting look. The gold badging on higher-end trims added a luxury feel that no other mainstream car offered at the time. Under the hood, the Bel Air wasn't just about appearances. Chevrolet offered a wide range of engine options, but the standout was the 283 cubic inch small ALX V8, which could be paired with Rochester ramjet fuel injection. This setup delivered up to 283 horsepower per cubic inch, which was groundbreaking for its time. It gave the Bel Air serious street performance while maintaining its family-friendly appeal. The interior was just as impressive. Chevrolet loaded the cabin with premium materials, two-tone vinyl seats, stainless steel trim, and a dashboard layout that felt more like an airplane cockpit than a car. Buyers could also add modern features for the time, like air conditioning, power windows, and a push-button radio. This made the Bel Air not only stylish, but incredibly comfortable. What made the Bel Air truly special was how it captured the heart of the American dream. After World War II, Americans were ready to enjoy life. They moved to the suburbs, started families, and wanted cars that reflected their success and aspirations. The Bel Air gave them all of that. It was affordable, stylish, powerful, and had a personality that connected with people from all walks of life. Even today, the Chevrolet Bel Air holds legendary status. It's a staple at car shows, auctions, and private collections. The restoration community is massive, with thousands of enthusiasts dedicated to keeping these machines on the road. Whether restored to original factory specs or customized into a modern hot rod, the Bel Air continues to turn heads and stir emotions. That wraps up today's deep dive on the Chevrolet Bel Air, a car that wasn't just a product of its time, it defined its time. For more classic stories from the golden age of American motoring, keep watching Auto Investigation, where legends live and history drives on.